And good Wednesday from the Storm Team 6 Tracking Center. I'm meteorologist Todd Clausen. Plenty of sunshine today, but it'll be a cold one with a high of only 26 degrees, but you factor in a wind that'll gust up to 25 miles per hour. It's going to feel like it's in the teens throughout much of today, so bundle up. For tomorrow, snow is going to head our way. The snow totals will be fairly low, but the impact will be high because temperatures will be very cold, and the snow kind of comes in towards the tail end of the morning commute. And as far as the confidence in this forecast, all the models are in pretty good alignment, so it's fairly high. So the earlier you can get to work tomorrow, the better. You see the snow overspreading the area after about 8 o'clock in most locations. Starts a little earlier on the western side of the state. And you notice the sharp cutoff to the north. If you're in northern locations, this is not really going to be much of an impact for you. It's essentially from Indianapolis to the south. The snow starts to taper off throughout the afternoon and into the evening hours, but certainly whatever falls will stick very quickly with temperatures in the teens. In Indianapolis, around an inch of snow is expected from Lafayette to Kokomo over towards Gas City and Marion, just trace amounts, but to the south 1 to 3 inches, with those 3-inch totals being essentially from about Seymour over towards the Bedford area and then down towards the Ohio River. So generally 1 to 2 inches with some isolated higher amounts in southern locales. As we go throughout the weekend, it is very cold, single digits Friday and Saturday morning, but the good news is plenty of sunshine. Temperatures finally back to the freezing mark as we get into the day on Monday.